Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the cracks.
Not John. John's
And the chef.
This one, John's cracks.
Well,
Asterisk Cafe has
I have to say, he needs a spectacle. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Alright, man.
Despite
Give
the,
it up for
despite the limitation of the kitchen.
John.
Despite the limitation of the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah.
来共来。
Despite the limitation of the kitchen, he can still come to
Of
it.
course, innovation, yeah. Innovation, yeah.
Okay, let's start in.
Yes. Okay, Ken will play us a song. Come. And then, oh, Dennis is here too. Dennis, your face is so big, the whole screen. Cannot, not so good. It's a bit narrow. Oh, you are here, still here, not drunk, Cool. And so we tuck it in.